This Hong Kong jewellery brand's expansion into mainland China was a tough lesson for its founder and designer. Her short foray into that market ended when one of her signature pieces was copied and sold under different brands. She has since expanded her collection. Half the sales are online, but you won't find her jewellery on any of China's main internet retail sites.
It's risky. I don't sell any products on online shopping platforms in China because it feels like I'm just giving away my designs and not getting anything back.
And this is the problem those behind China's new e-commerce law are hoping to tackle. The legislation is looking to close some of the loopholes in the world's largest retail market, which was worth more than $1 trillion in 2017.
The individual platform will be liable as well as the person selling the goods. So it shifts the onus. Suddenly the platform has to be responsible for making sure that it polices itself, that it doesn't allow for the counterfeits to be sold.
According to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, China is the world's largest manufacturer of counterfeit goods, and many of the knockoffs end up on the streets as well as in cyberspace. The new legislation applies to operators of online shopping platforms, the companies selling products and services on them, and independent merchants with their own websites, all of whom must register with the government. There are still many questions over how the law will be implemented, and there are concerns it could give the government yet another form of control over the internet, where it could rein in activity that was once outside its influence.
My view is still, if a business is legitimate and they're not infringing counterfeit, they will be okay. But we don't know how it's going to be policed. We don't know how it will be enforced. It may be that if complaints aren't responded to quickly enough, where a business has been improperly accused of an IP violation, they face sanctions.
Minnie Cheung says the law is good news for designers and small business owners like her. She plans to relaunch her brand on some of China's top online shopping platforms and expects to have a profitable 2019. Divya Gopalan, Al Jazeera, Hong Kong.